Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to share what I ate to break a 3-day water fast, which I recently fasted for 3 days. It was about 3 days. It was about 65 hours, so pretty close to 3 days. And I started off with this smoothie. I had 2 cups of coconut water and 1 ripe banana and 2 cups of frozen berries. It was a cup of frozen blueberries and a cup of frozen strawberries. And this was a super delicious smoothie. This was a great way to break a 3-day fast. A nice smoothie, easy to digest with fruit. And that's definitely a way I'd recommend to break the fast. Then when I got hungry again, I had some pineapple and some grapes. Nice and juicy. And then after that, I had a bowl of oatmeal. This had bananas, blueberries, walnuts. It had a little maple syrup, and what else did it have? It had some cacao powder and some almond milk in it. So that's a really good combination that I've been enjoying with my oatmeal. And then after the oatmeal, I had a green salad, and that had greens, apples, cucumber, and avocado. So just a very simple green salad. And then finally, I had a veggie burrito to finish off my day. So you'll notice if you've watched my videos before, I ate more today than I normally do, and I had a bigger eating window as well. I didn't intermittent fast on that day because I was ready to break my fast, so I just kind of ate throughout the day several times. But now that I did that, I'm back to my regular intermittent fasting schedule. I just like to throw in some longer fasts sometimes, maybe a 2 or a 3 day fast, and just get right back to my schedule. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll be in touch soon. Bye-bye.